How are you guys? If you are tired of juggling tabs, copy-pasting LinkedIn profiles into your Zoho Bigin, or trying to keep your CRM clean, I feel you. And this one's for you. Because let's face it, you didn't get into recruiting or sales to be a data entry clerk. Let me show you a better way. Here's your LinkedIn lead. And now we're gonna bring him into your CRM with just 2 clicks. That's LinkMatch in action. Hit Add to Zoho Bigin and create a contact. Just like that. And all the information also falls right into your CRM. Hi, I'm Alex from LinkMatch, and in this quick demo, I will show you how LinkMatch for Zoho Bigin can help you save LinkedIn contacts straight into your CRM with just a couple of clicks. Let's get LinkMatch set up first. Go to linkmatch.com, pick Bigin as your CRM, and you'll land on the Chrome Web Store. Click Add to Chrome and add extension. Once it's installed, log in with your Bigin account, accept the permissions, and that's it. You can start from free trial, by the way, and you are all set. Now open LinkedIn. When LinkMatch is active, you'll see a little red cross icon next to the lead's name. And that's a cue, meaning the person is not yet in your CRM. Click Add to Zoho Bigin button, and LinkMatch will pull in all key information already mapped and ready to be saved to your CRM. Want to preset what specific data should be saved into your CRM? No problem, we left you lots of freedom to customize your mapping. I will dive into this topic in a separate demo. You'll find the link in the description as soon as it's available. Once you're happy with the mapping, click Create Contact. The red cross flips into a green check, which means success. When this window is closed, you can click the green check and you'll see their CRM profile right inside LinkedIn. You can also see the company information, which was saved automatically, and so much more that I will show you in the following videos. And all this data that you see here is in your Bigin. You can jump into the full Bigin profile with one click right from here. It gets even better when you're working with Sales Navigator or LinkedIn Recruiter, as in this case, you can save the whole list of contacts with just the clicks. I will show you how to do that exactly in the upcoming videos. We'll also cover how LinkMatch synchronizes messages, plus a bunch of other time-saving features you won't want to miss. So, this is LinkMatch for Zoho Bigin. From lead generation to CRM sync, it keeps your workflow lean and clean. More pipeline, less typing. Give it a spin at linkmatch.com. You'll get prospects to close, we'll handle the clicks. Till the next video.